Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to install Minio on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you will have it fully installed and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your system packages, download and run the Minio installation using the following commands. Next, we will create a dedicated user and a storage folder for Minio using these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Now let's configure the environment. Open the following file with a text editor and pass this code. In the code you can replace the username and password with your own preferred credentials. Now let's start the services using the following commands. We can also check the status to make sure everything is running smoothly. Now open your web browser and go to your server IP address followed by port 9001. Use the login and password you specified in the text editor and you're ready to start working with Minio.